Okay. I need like a mirror to see what I'm doing, but I can't, so... Hey everyone! Why am I doing this? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Why am I speaking like this? What's up? Hello, welcome back to another video. It's been a while and things are different. Oh, I realized you can't see. So I got a fringe, curtain bangs, kind of. You can't see because I haven't washed my hair in a while, so it's a bit manky, so I put it up, so yeah, and I dyed my hair black. It's also past Christmas, so currently I am filming on my camera. That's right, I got a camera for Christmas. It's the only thing I wanted, and I got it, so I have a camera. The problem is I can't see what I'm doing now, so I'm just relying that the shot is okay and I'm in focus. Today is another video, and if you can't tell, I'm also very sick. Well, not very, but like I have a blocked nose. And it's not cool because this started on Christmas Day, and it just, I'm not vibing with it, like it's just not cute. And today's video is a thrifting kind of video. I think I have all these clothes. When I went through my clothes before, you saw that I was gonna thrift some, and I had all these clothes right here in this big washing basket, and I'm gonna get through some today. I'm gonna make a series out of it just because why not? We got nothing else to do. Today's video is more gonna be like me attempting to try and resize it for me. It's not really a thrift. Like one day I'm gonna go to the thrift store and buy all these different things and completely just like thrift them up. That is not today though, because I don't have money. Let's get started. Over here, I have my sewing machine. That's right, I have my sewing machine. Okay. This dress. So there is no before because I forgot to film, but here is the after, and as you can see it is very nice on my figure. It now has a shape to it and it isn't just boxy. So I'm back. Is the zoom still on? No wonder, the zoom is still on. Okay, so I've done this dress. Anyways, this is the dress. Very nice, very nice. And now I'm moving on to this dress. I have a lot of dresses. I got this at a thrift store last year. Was it last year? I got it in a thrift store in, what's it called? Tie Happy, I think? The place with the gumboot. I like the style and the colors, it just doesn't fit. It's like a box dress, if we're being honest. We're gonna fix that, and this time I'm gonna do a good job because I know what I'm doing now, and I know how to cinch the waist. That one was a nightmare, I cannot, and then my camera died because I don't know how long the battery lasts, so that's great. So I'm going to film this, and I'm gonna try and film it, but not too much because honestly, I don't know how to film these things. See, I keep watching Best Dressed and all that, and she does this, and she lays it out perfectly, but she also has like a lovely place to film. I don't have any place to film that's decent for filming these types of things, and I don't know how, so we're just gonna it's just gonna follow the goat. Whatever floats my goat, you know? So let's get thrifting. Hello and welcome to the before of the dress. As you can see, it's very boxy and rectangular shape, and it's just not flattering at all. And when I bend over, the straps are so loose you can literally see my boobs, so I have to censor that. So I'm going to transform in 3, 2, 1 into the new dress that I just thrifted. So as you can see, I took in the waist, and now it shows I actually have a waist which is more flattering, I think. There are pleated things on the side that I kind of messed up, but they look okay, so I actually am vibing with them. And I fixed the straps, so when I bend over, you literally can't see my nipples anymore, which is brilliant because I don't want that happening. And I also created a new neckline, the sweetheart neckline, instead of the just straight across cut. So I'm thriving in this and I'm so excited. On to the next thrift. Hello, and I've finished. This took a lot less time than the other one, just because that was my starting one. But it's time to move on. So I had a lot of clothes here, and I put out 5 to do today. But I'm thinking I only do 2 more, just because I started at 12 and it's currently nearly 4. And we're moving on from dresses now. I'm finished with dresses. Next up, I have these pants I got. Where did I get these? I think I got these when I got the dress as well. This is from the same place. So these are thrifted as well. I liked the style. Like, I didn't have anything like this, but it's like a pale purple lilac. Not really, I don't know. And it's nice. It looks like business pants. It's kind of loose and it'll be really good in summer, I think, because it's just the thin fabric, but I've never worn them because it doesn't fit around my waist. Even wearing about, I don't like that clustered feeling in most cases, unless it's meant to be like that, but this is not. It looks fine at the waist, but then the crotch is all weird and I just cannot cope. So this is what I'm going to do, and let's get on to it. And here is me falling. Here's the before, and as you can tell, it's really loose and it's literally falling down to my hips when I want it on my waist. The rest of it fits fine, as you can tell, and I like how it's loose around the ankles, but the waist is just not doing it for me. So in 3, 2, 1, it is now fitting around my waist thanks to my crafty skills. It's not as loose as you can tell by me tugging on it, but the rest still fits fine, and I'm very happy with it. So next, thrift. I have finished the pants. Just a close-up to show you what I did. It looks kind of weird around the pocket, and if it really bugged me, which it doesn't, I could unpick the pocket and put it over, so the pocket kind of goes over and it isn't really noticeable. So I don't really care. It just fits, and that's the main priority. I'm just glad that I had the skill set to fix that, because I like these pants and I like the color. Couldn't wear them if they were gonna fall down and show my... what? I don't know where I was going with that. I was trying to make it comedic and then I got confused. But the last thing is this top. It's a little crop top thing, and yeah, let's just get sewing. So this is the before of the top. You can see it's very loose around the waist and I just don't like it. So in 3, 2, 1, it's now snug as a bug around my waist, and it actually fits, but I don't really like it. So let me just get rid of that right now. And yeah, I'm not keeping this one, unfortunately. I just am over it. Hello, and oh, why am I saying hello? That's it. That's all the clothes I why can I say that? Those are all the clothes that I thrifted today, and I thought it was fun. I did only 4, I planned to do 5, but that's what happens when you're not as skilled as me. I mean, when I'm not as skilled as a... Anyway, I thought it'd be cute to do a little montage-y clip of what you could pair these clothes with, I think, or what I will. So here it is. So that was the little montage, and that was all the thrifting. So bye everyone, thank you so much for watching this weird thrifting video I tried doing. Why are my eyebrows moving so much? But thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to keep up with my content. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Dislike if you are silly. and check out my links down below if you want to keep up with me on my other social medias like Instagram, TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in 2020. Bye guys.
But I also know where you are. You're in the... Hi everyone. So by the time this goes up, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit 300 subscribers. So if so, thank you so much. I can't believe it. Literally like 2 months ago, I was on like 120 subscribers. So thank you so much. I love you all, and thank you so much for supporting. But also, I just released my new single called Sky City. It's like a little ballad. It's very meaningful, and it means a lot to me. So it'd be amazing if you checked it out. Link in my description. Please check it out. Please stream it. Thank you so much. And yeah, bye.